friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to display the graphical things like the pie chart, bar chart, and this kind of graph in Java. So we are working with JavaFX as usual, and this is my main class, public class main extends application, and there inside that I have a class public void start, and which is taking the argument of the object stays and it's named as primary stays, and this throws exception if there is any problem. So here inside this I have created one more function called the private void init UI, and then I am just calling this function from here and then passing my init UI. So let me just increase the font so that you can see it little clearly. So go into the settings, and then inside the setting I can increase the font size a little. So by default our font size is, this is the template, you see, application and behavior, appearance, and then this is my editor, general setting for the editor. So here the font size is small, this is the font. So font size here is 13, so I can make it 15. Okay, so now I think you can see it in a better way. So now here inside this, now I'm coming back to our init UI application, and then when you are first you have to create the category access and create the object for category access, category access, and you can call it as x-axis, and it will be, this is a normal Java object, so it's be new category access, category access. And then if you get the odd line, right now it's not required, semicolon, and then when you want this another axis for y-axis, so we can call that as number axis, and that is y-axis equals new number axis. Okay, so x-axis should be given a label, so write x-axis dot label, or better use set label, and then you can pass this as whatever you want the name as, like I can say days, and on the y-axis I like to put the temperature, so y-axis dot set label, and then you can write temperature. Okay, and then I create the object for the bar chart, equal to new bar chart, and then pass x-axis object to this, comma y-axis object to this, and then now we need some values. So for that we need to create the object of the series class, so we'll call it as the xy chart dot series, xy chart dot series, and this one will take certain values. So first let me create the object of this one, so I call it as data series equal new xy chart dot series. So this is done. When this part is done, then you need to initialize the data series with, suppose for x-axis what you want to set the value as. So data series dot, you can call those values as set name, then here I call it as temperature, or I can say better use a days of week. And when the days of week is done, then what I need is I have to add the data. So data series dot get data, and then dot add, and here you have to add your values. So we'll create a new object of xy chart. So new xy chart, and inside this will not take collection right now. We will simply write dot data, and then we'll pass one value for x, just like a data set. So I can write Monday, or we start from Sunday. So Sunday, comma, Sunday's temperature, suppose 30 degrees Celsius. So this is 30, and now this is done. So I don't need this part. Then I can do the same thing. This would be data. Okay, then I need the same thing for few more times, because Sunday, and then we have Monday's temperature, I can say 31, and then we have Tuesday, I can bring it 28, and then Wednesday's temperature should be 32. Okay, 4 are enough. Then we write bar chart object, and then get data, and then you add the series to that, and then write data series. Okay, so this part is done. Now we need to create a VBox object, that is vertical box. VBox equal new VBox, and you pass the object of V chart or the bar chart into this. So object of bar chart, and then this is done. So we are done with this one. Now we go for creating object of scene. So scene equals new scene, and then we pass the object like VBox, and we need some values. So I write for the screen size, so I make it as 600 is the width, and the 350 is the height. Okay, after this I need to create the stage. So stage object already we have in the argument of the init UI, then the stage dot set scene, and then I pass the scene object to this. Then when you create it, then what should be the height of the like the stage. So stage also needs to have its own height. So stage dot set height, so set height, I try to make the same as the scene, and then stage dot set height we can pass as 350, and then now this is the time to show the stage. So stage dot show. Now this is already there, so public static void main. Now only I need to run the object, but there is this is cannot resolve the object vbox. So vbox should be small vbox. Yes, error is gone, it was just spelling mistake. Now let me run the code and see. So we have created one JavaFX application which displays the bar chart. On the x-axis we'll have the days of the week, and on y-axis we'll have the temperature. Let's see how it all comes. Yes, so this is what you see. Number of days are little lesser, that's why the width is increasing. So if I increase this Wednesday till Wednesday it was, so if I just 3 more we can have Control C, Control V. Then after Wednesday we need Thursday, then we need Friday, and then we need Saturday. So I'm running the application again, and now the number of days has become 7, so definitely the width of the bar chart will shrink a bit, because the height we have taken is 600. If you just see, if I decrease this, then the width automatically comes and the height takes it. Now like this. So it's cool. So JavaFX offers you a different way, since we have taken the temperature till maximum 32, so that's why it has given us the range of 0 to 35, and now see, beautiful. This looks pretty cool. You can change the color of the bar also, and you can add some more. Thank you very much. In the next video we'll discuss about the other chart like the pie chart, area diagram, bubble diagram, etc.